In this video, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication in Shopify. The process is quick and easy. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, click your store icon in the top right corner. A menu will appear. Under your store name, you'll see your account name. Make sure you click on your account, not the store. This will open your account settings in a new tab. On the account page, click on the Security tab. This is where you can manage your account security settings, including two-factor authentication. Now, scroll down to the two-step authentication section and click Turn On. Shopify will first ask you to verify your identity. You can do this using your password or a passkey if you've already set one up. Next, choose your preferred two-factor authentication method. In this video, I'll be using the text message option, so click on it. Enter your phone number, then click Continue. Shopify will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code you received, then click Turn On to enable two-factor authentication. That's it. Your Shopify account is now protected with two-factor authentication, giving you an extra layer of security whenever you sign in. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.